All right, we're doing a DIY condenser fan motor on a Carrier unit. I'm gonna try to make it as quick as possible for you guys. I actually got the motor from Carrier itself, so it makes it a lot easier. If you get an off-brand motor, it will not be as easy as this. So you pull the disconnect so the power is off. You got to do that for safety. I'm gonna try to make this video as quick as possible. You got to use a 5/16 to get this door off here. And then we're going to go ahead and check power to make sure that you don't have 240 volts here, so you don't get shocked. The best way is to go from each leg and then from one leg to ground to make sure you got no power. All right, we're good on power. We don't have no power. You don't want to get shocked. Then you want to de-energize the capacitor so you don't get shocked from there as well. And then I think this is a 9/16, I think. I don't know. Let me take all these out here. Then you find what you got for the fan motor. We're gonna actually have to cut that wire tie. So we got access to the wires for the fan motor. So you got brown. Don't forget where your wires go on the capacitor. You got brown is the fan on the capacitor. And you got black, which is on the capacitor as well. I mean, sorry, on the contactor. And then you got yellow that goes on the bottom of the contactor. So take a picture if you don't remember. So now that you got these wires unhooked, let's get them kind of organized so you can pull them through. The motor from the manufacturer is a lot easier to put on, and I think it's a better motor too, because you're actually doing the exact specs. So now that you have the wires loose, you can go ahead and just pull it right out. Now it goes behind this clip here, because you don't, when you put the new wires in. All right, once you got these screws off, this comes right off like that. Go ahead and line this up. Don't lose your screws. A little hard to line up. Got a little spider right there. And you put these back on and tighten them up. Now that you got the motor off, put it on the ground. You twist this off. You gotta loosen this little set screw here. You grab a pair of channel locks or something. Sometimes you have to use oil to get it off. There you go. You got to tighten that set screw on and you put the new one on. This comes off. I think the video is already 3 minutes in. It's a pretty long video. Sorry about that. But I'm trying to show every single step to do one of these manufacturer motors. That set screw is very important. Don't lose it. And then make sure you tighten it up. And the new one. Sometimes you got to sand on our yellow and on the bottom of the contactor. So that's how you do a manufacturer motor from Carrier. All right, if you guys have any questions, leave it in the comments. and I'll answer any questions you guys have. Again, it's Chris from Today Heating and Air. You guys make it a great day. And once you put the cover back on, just plug in the disconnect. Don't plug it in backwards to off. It says on right there. Plug it in. Make sure the air is coming out this way, and you're good to go.